Hollywood Haunter, and today we have another unboxing review video for you. This one was sent to us for Onforu lighting. It's an Amazon company, and it's black lights.
Yeah!
Yeah, they sent us 3 16-inch black lights, and I am so excited because we needed an upgrade in our black lighting situation.
We did.
We have the little screw-in bulbs that only go through a certain radius, and I have to admit, you guys, I have had one of my black lights that we've been using in our haunt stuff since probably 94, 95. I got it from Spencer's, and it's just the little fluorescent one that you click on and stuff, but the thing's still going, so I gotta give it that. But I'm sure it's not gonna compare anywhere to the brightness or the glowing effect of these new LED black lights.
We will see. What's really cool too is we also had some 4-foot ones that we had mounted on the back of our cemetery columns, and they also sell these in 2-foot and 4-foot lengths. So if this works good, we might be getting an upgrade on that too.
And we'll just blacklight the whole Hollywood Haunted house.
Yeah, this would be really good for parties.
Yeah,
like
weddings. You can do it on the dance floor.
Stage.
Yeah, body art.
Yeah, or a haunted house. Imagine that. A scene in the haunted house.
Or if you just like black light, some people have a ton of black light posters.
Yeah, Harrison's bedroom. It's all black lighted out and lava lamp.
Actually, that's not too far off from the truth. We had a black light in his nursery for a long time.
Yeah.
It had some glowing stars and stuff like that, and there was fun to look
He'll
at.
probably grow up weird, but...
You can blame his parents. There's a lot of proof out there. If you guys are interested in any of these lights,
No.
it's your line. It's your line. Click the link below.
It's the line! It's the line!
Say, click the link below. There you go. If you guys are interested in any of these black lights, they also have RGB lights. I'll put those in the description below, and you can check those out. Those look pretty cool as well.
Yeah.
They gave us an option to pick black lights or those, and we went with the black lights only because we really needed an upgrade. But the RGB lights look really awesome as well. All right, let's get a closer look.
So like Gina was saying before, we have 3 lights, 24 watts, LED, UV lamps, and you can see what they come with. They have these nice, pretty sturdy aluminum housings. Each light comes with its own bag of hardware. You get the Allen wrenches and you got the screws and even some anchors if you were gonna put them in some drywall or something. And these mounts can move wherever you need them. You just tighten them down with the Allen wrench. It's got these feet that you can move like this so that when you mount the light either to a stage or to the bottom of a cabinet, you can actually angle them.
Ooh, fancy living. You can just tell that they feel like they're quality built.
These are designed for indoor use, so they are not water resistant. So if you do use them out in your yard display, you'll need to cover them up or bring them inside.
Protect them.
Protect them so they
From
last.
the elements. I'm ready to plug them in and see how good these bad boys go.
Woo-wee. These black lights are awesome. They sent us into the upside down Halloween grid.
Look at how amazing everything looks with these lights.
Yeah.
The cobwebs are glowing. The old vintage pumpkins are glowing.
Harrison is glowing.
We're glowing.
Gina looks different altogether.
I know. They're magical lights for sure.
Whoa. They turned our regular kitchen into the crypt kitchen of the future.
Man.
Are these glow-in-the-dark cobwebs, or are they just regular?
They're just regular cobwebs. I guess that they glow, but it makes sense because they're white. But they're glowing really well. All right, Harrison, what do you see? listen to the grid and tell us what you find. That's right.
What kind of
These are
spiders?
just some regular spiders we got at the dollar store, and they're glowing really well. We painted some of these with black light. We have white, blue, and orange. The regular white is glowing really well.
Black lights are one of those lights that I don't think to like turn on, but whenever we do, it's
so
super
much
fun. You
Yeah.
just, it's like, let's have a party.
Yes, and what's neat too is there's stuff that you see when the black light turns on, but then sometimes you have stuff like glow in the dark.
Yeah.
And
Which
then what's cool is when the lights go off, they're like super charged up.
I thought glow in the dark was different than black light stuff, so I didn't believe Gina when she started pulling that stuff out, but she was right.
Look it, why don't you show our viewers what you got?
Stomp your feet. You got some Tron shoes on?
Yeah.
Gina pulled out a lot of this old stuff from our old haunts. Some of these spiders were from our first walkthrough.
Yeah.
You got these creepy plant creatures.
We got these from the dollar store many, many years ago, and they've just been hanging out. We pull them out every once in a while for fun. We just brushed a little bit of glow paint on this guy.
Whoa, laser beams!
This is my new treat dish, you guys.
It's
That's
awesome.
brand new, and it glows in the dark.
Yeah.
I'm really excited about that. I had no idea, but these old vintage Halloween decorations, the blow molds, as you can see, I've got some pumpkins around here. But look at how well they glow too.
Yeah, they do.
That was very exciting because these are my favorite. And I've got a couple of them. So now I want to make these puppies glow. Just turn on the black lights. That's awesome. This guy's just hanging around. He's actually painted with some wildfire glow paint in the orange and blue, and he's actually been with us for many, many years.
Yep.
And looks like the big spider got him.
Yes, he's all caught up in the web. What do you have in your hand?
What is this? Painting. And was he glowing?
Yeah. Does the black lights make Frankenstein glow?
He turns off.
He does.
When the lights go off, huh?
Hold him up, Harrison, and go, he's alive! He's alive! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Frankie's gonna get me. Oh no, he got Oh, is he giving me a hug? He's just your toy. Good. I'm glad. I was scared of Frank for a second. This skull I have had since I was a kid. Stocking up.
Harrison's collecting insects. There's a lot of glowing spiders in the upside down. And that spider is upside down. Gina has a few of these old 15-watt fluorescent bulb black lights, and they work really well. But
I want to show you the difference.
so that's both of them. And then there's with just that fluorescent one. And they turn the... It makes a big difference.
It really does.
I know it's really close right now, but... Yeah. Spooky.
Just let your soul glow. Oh, so creepy smooth.
So This is the water that I was using to wash the paintbrush out when I was painting some of the glow paint. It's crazy. It's like drinking Star Wars milk.
The disco ball's just for fun.
The disco ball lives in our kitchen at all times.
You never know when you gotta bust out a family dance party.
Yep.
Thank you again, Onforu, for sending us these 3 awesome, amazing, fantastic
Yes.
black lights.
Yeah,
they're
they're
going to work
super
so well in our Halloween displays and for our parties.
Yes.
Yeah, and if you guys enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to us. We do a lot of fun stuff throughout the year. And if you feel like leaving a comment, go ahead and leave us a comment. What would you do with these black lights?
Would you dress up in Tron outfits and go to the Halloween grid and the upside down world like we did?
You never know, it just might take you there. Alright everyone, happy Halloween! Party!
Whoa.
How about this one? Can you do the disco pointer? There you go.
You see the skeleton dance.
Yeah, everything's glowing, huh? I can't do it with you.
Oh, you can.
And like turn back around.
Where the heck is the juice at? Did you put it away? Sorry, I don't know what is Vogue.
Yeah, like.
I'm all like the Grinch.
Yeah.
That's so exciting.
What will I win?
I gotta go. People are like, what? As always, we'd like to thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.